In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut this lemon into wedges and my one quick tip for removing the seeds the easy way. I removed the sticker from my lemon and gave it a good, nice wash. Now that it's dry, it's ready to go. First thing, I'm going to slice my lemon in half vertically. Then I'm going to place it upside down, and for thick wedges that you can squeeze like over the salad, you would just cut it into vertical thirds. 1, 2, 3. You can, of course, remove this vein by putting it on the side and give it a nice thin slice, and just like that, it comes right out. That gives you an opening to remove the seeds. Instead of having to slice each wedge individually, if you want to place it on top of your rim, you can just slice your lemon one quick pass like this before flipping it over and slicing it into thirds. When I remove that vein, the seeds slide right out, and this right here makes it real easy to hold on to your glass. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful. And by the way, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel, I share all the kitchen skills that moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more.